Hi, I'm Danny Lipford from today's Homeowner. Did you know that more household electrical fires start in the bedroom than in any other room of the house? The reason is largely due to arc faults that occur in damaged electrical wires, cords, or equipment. According to the National Fire Protection Association, electrical failure or malfunction causes more than 45,000 home fires and more than 400 deaths annually. There's a simple way you can protect your home and family from electrical fires. Install an arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI, like this one from Leviton, available as both a circuit breaker and an outlet. An arc fault occurs when an electrical wire is damaged and creates a spark or arc between metal contact points. Now, this often happens when a piece of furniture pinches an electrical cord, when cords run under rugs that receive a lot of traffic, or when cords are damaged by heat, age, or even animals chewing on them. Arc faults also occur inside walls when wires are pierced by nails or staples. This arcing electricity creates intense heat, and if there's flammable material near the spark, let's say a bed sheet, paper, or even wood inside your walls, it can start a fire. AFCIs immediately detect an arc in the circuit and shut down the flow of electricity. There are AFCI circuit breakers which are installed in your breaker panel and AFCI outlets that go in your walls. The good news is that you don't need to change out all of the electrical outlets or circuit breakers to protect your home. When you install an AFCI outlet as the first outlet on a branch circuit, it provides arc protection for the entire circuit. As you can see, AFCIs are a smart, simple way to protect your family from electrical fires. Don't let a seemingly small issue like a crimped electrical cord or a damaged wire inside your wall turn into a dangerous and possibly deadly situation. Install an AFCI from Leviton and protect your family from potential electrical fires before it's too late.